Hello students, in today's class I'll be discussing about session 3, Introduction to Instant Messaging. First let me discuss about relevant knowledge. So, what is instant messaging? Instant messaging is a form of communication over the internet that offers an instantaneous transmission of text-based messages from sender to receiver. Most instant messaging software include the option for performing file transfers, audio chat, video calling and conferencing, sharing desktops, etc., apart from standard text chat. Instant messaging software is widely used for personal and commercial use. In this session, you will be introduced to the concept of instant messaging. Unlike email, instant messaging happens in real time and the response from participants can be spontaneous. Some instant messaging software allows users to view messages received when they are not logged on. These are called offline messages. For utilizing audio and video chat or conferencing, you need to have microphones and headsets or speakers and web cameras so that users can talk or see each other. Now let me discuss about the key features of an instant messaging. First one, text messages can be sent to one or more persons, similar to SMS. Second one, audio calling and conferencing. Third one, video calling and conferencing. Fourth one, file transfers, not limited to documents, spreadsheet, audio files, video files, etc. Fifth one, message history, saves messages for future reference. Do you all know what is instant messaging account? Participants messaging to each other need to be signed in to the same instant messaging software. To use instant messaging software, a user must have a valid instant messaging account. Instant messaging accounts differ in formats. Some instant messaging software such as Yahoo Messenger, Windows Live Messenger use email addresses for managing the account, and software such as Skype use standard names. Now let me tell you all about the instant messaging services. There are two kinds of instant messaging software. They are application-based instant messaging software and web-based instant messaging software. Application-based instant messaging software is downloaded and installed on user's computer. Some of the popular instant messaging software are Google Talk, Yahoo Messenger, Skype, Windows Live Messenger, Rediffball, etc. Web-based instant messaging software is accessed using browsers such as Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, etc. Some of the popular web-based instant messaging software are Meebo, Yahoo Messenger for the web, MSN Web Messenger, IMO, etc. Now let me discuss about creating an instant messaging account. In this exercise, you will learn to create an instant messaging account for using Google Talk. Google Talk is an instant messaging service that provides both text and voice communication developed by Google Inc. Google Talk can also be used for making video calls and to view updates from Gmail mailbox. Google Talk is free and is available as application-based and web-based. Application based, that is, users need to download and install Google Talk application to their desktops, mobiles, or laptops. And web based, that is, users can use Google Talk through a browser after signing into their Gmail account. Note that you need to download and install Google Talk application from www.google.com/talk. Now let me discuss about Google Talk. The Google Talk app for Windows is no longer supported. It is being replaced by the Hangouts app. The given link directs us to the Hangouts app. Just have a look at this picture. Here are the most popular messaging platforms used from 1999 to 2020. Now let me move on to assessment. First, let me begin with fill in the blanks. First one, Dash is a form of communication over the internet that offers an instantaneous transmission of text-based messages from sender to receiver. The right answer is instant messaging is a form of communication over the internet that offers an instantaneous transmission of text-based messages from sender to receiver. Second one, Dash, Dash and web camera are required for audio and video conferencing. Microphones, headsets, and speakers and web camera are required for audio and video conferencing. Now we shall discuss Session 4, Chatting with a Contact. There are some general rules and etiquettes to be followed while chatting. They are almost the same as those that apply for emails. Messages should be short and to the point. Always introduce yourself by name if your screen name doesn't reflect it. Always ask if the other person has time to chat first, regardless of how important you think what you have to say is. It's not going to be well received if the recipient is busy. In a business environment, know exactly what you want to discuss. Typing your messages in uppercase is extremely rude. It's considered shouting and very aggressive. Give people time to respond. Multiple questions sent to a recipient before they have had a chance to answer can seem more like an interrogation rather than a conversation. Wherever possible, give the person you are communicating with your undivided attention. It's not just a sign of respect, but if you have multiple conversations happening or are allowing other issues to distract you, you may miss an important point in the other person's messages or lose the gist of the conversation. It's important to properly end an instant messaging conversation. You may think the chat is over, but the other person may not. While you're off doing other things, they may be sitting there staring at the screen, waiting for further communication from you. Now we shall discuss Session 4, Chatting with a Contact. First we shall discuss about chatting on Gmail. In this exercise, you will learn to chat with a contact using the Gmail account through a web browser. You can also use the chatting services after signing into their Gmail account. The same procedure will be followed while making voice chats, text chats, etc. using the Gmail account. Once you sign into your Gmail account, a contact window will be displayed either on the left side or the right side within the browser as displayed here. If you would like to chat with a contact, double-click on the contact's name. You will see a pop-up similar to the one displayed here. Now you can start typing the message you want to send and the other contact should be able to respond to your chat message. Now let's discuss about chatting on Yahoo. Having learned to use one instant messaging software, you will experiment with another. In this exercise, you will create an instant messaging account for using Yahoo Messenger. Note that you may need to download and install Yahoo Messenger application from the link given prior to this exercise. Before you start using Yahoo Messenger, a Yahoo Mail account is required. If you don't have a Yahoo Mail account already, you can use the built-in option for creating a new Yahoo Mail account. You should have a list of contacts that are available for chat. If you don't have any contacts, you can add their Yahoo Mail account to your contact list by sending an invite. Note that if you would like to import your contacts from other sources such as Microsoft Outlook, Gmail, Hotmail, etc., you can use the import option. Having used Yahoo Messenger, now go ahead and chat with your classmates using a Yahoo Mail account through a web browser. You can also try using other chat services such as MSN, Rediff, Sci-Fi, etc. Refer to respective websites for further instructions to download and use the software. Now we shall move on to assessment. Here are some interesting questions for y'all. Do try to answer them. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Take care of yourselves, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.